Navigating the Skies in 2025, your essential guide to new travel rules. Planning a trip in 2025? Hold on to your boarding passes. The travel landscape is undergoing significant changes, and it's essential to stay updated. The world of travel is evolving with new rules and regulations designed to enhance security and streamline your journey. These changes aim to make your travel experience safer and more efficient. From domestic flights within the US to international adventures, staying informed is crucial for a smooth and stress-free experience. Knowing what to expect can save you time and reduce travel-related stress. This comprehensive guide will equip you with the essential knowledge to navigate the latest travel requirements and soar through airports with confidence. We'll cover everything from check-in procedures to security protocols. Whether you're a seasoned globetrotter or embarking on your first adventure, understanding the nuances of new TSA rules, international travel authorizations, and evolving security measures is paramount. These insights will help you avoid common pitfalls and ensure a seamless journey. From real ID requirements to the expansion of biometric screening, we'll delve into the key changes impacting travelers in 2025 and beyond. These advancements are designed to enhance both security and convenience. Buckle up and prepare for takeoff as we unpack the essential information you need to know before you go. With this guide, you'll be well prepared to navigate the skies and make the most of your travel experiences in the coming years. Real ID, your ticket to domestic travel. The Real ID Act is a significant change in how we travel domestically within the United States. It aims to enhance security and ensure that travelers are properly identified. Starting May 7, 2025, this new regulation will be fully enforced. The Real ID Act will be fully enforced for domestic air travel within the United States. This means that if you plan to fly within the country, you will need to have a Real ID-compliant driver's license or another acceptable form of identification. This means that your standard driver's license may no longer be sufficient to board a flight. Without a Real ID, you could face significant travel disruptions. To ensure a seamless journey, you'll need a Real ID-compliant driver's license or another acceptable form of federal identification, such as a passport. These forms of identification are designed to meet higher security standards. Identifying a Real ID-compliant license is easy. Simply look for a star marking in the upper right corner. This star signifies that your license meets the federal requirements. If your current license isn't compliant, don't worry. There are steps you can take to get a Real ID. You can obtain a Real ID from your state's driver's license agency. The process typically involves providing documentation that proves your identity, residency, and social security number. It's crucial to apply for your Real ID well in advance of your travel date to avoid any last-minute hiccups. Planning ahead can save you from the stress of potential travel delays. Remember, without a Real ID you may be denied boarding, which could disrupt your travel plans significantly. So plan ahead and ensure you have the necessary identification to take to the skies. With a Real ID you can travel with confidence, knowing that you meet all the federal requirements for domestic air travel. Biometric screening. The future is here. Imagine a world where you no longer have to fumble through your bag for your ID or boarding pass. This is not a distant dream but a reality that is unfolding right now. Say goodbye to long queues and the frustration of waiting in line, and hello to a faster, more efficient security experience. Imagine walking through security with a smile, knowing that the process will be quick and hassle-free. Airports across the nation are rapidly adopting biometric and touchless technology to streamline the screening process. This means less physical contact and a more hygienic way to travel, especially in today's world. Major airlines like Delta, United, and American Airlines are at the forefront of this technological revolution, implementing facial recognition systems for seamless and secure identity verification. These advancements are setting new standards in the aviation industry. With biometric screening, your face becomes your boarding pass. No more worrying about losing your boarding pass or ID. Simply look into a camera at designated checkpoints, and the system will match your facial features against a database of authorized travelers. This ensures a high level of security while making the process incredibly convenient. This advanced technology eliminates the need for physical identification and boarding passes at certain touchpoints, allowing for a smoother and more convenient travel experience. The future of air travel is here, and it promises to make your journey more enjoyable and stress-free. TSA PreCheck. Expediting your journey. For frequent flyers seeking a more expedited security experience, TSA PreCheck remains an invaluable asset. This trusted program allows eligible travelers to enjoy faster screening lanes and a more streamlined passage through security checkpoints. In 2025, TSA PreCheck is becoming even more accessible to international travelers, expanding its reach and benefits to a wider range of passengers. With TSA PreCheck, you can breeze through security without the hassle of removing shoes, belts, or light jackets. Laptops and liquids can also remain in your carry-on bag, saving precious time and effort. If you haven't already, consider applying for TSA PreCheck to elevate your travel experience and enjoy a stress-free journey. While TSA PreCheck offers expedited screening, it's crucial for all travelers to be aware of the electronic screening procedures in place. When passing through security checkpoints, remember to place all electronic devices larger than a cell phone, including laptops, tablets, and e-readers, in separate bins for X-ray screening. This measure ensures a clear and unobstructed view for TSA officers, enhancing security and efficiency. By adhering to this simple rule, you'll contribute to a smoother screening process for yourself and fellow travelers. Remember, security is a shared responsibility, and every step we take contributes to a safer travel environment. The familiar 3-1-1 rule for liquids, gels, and aerosols remains in effect, but it's essential to stay informed about adjustments for specific items. Travelers carrying medically necessary liquids or baby formula exceeding the standard 3.4-ounce limit should declare these items at the security checkpoint for additional screening. TSA officers are trained to handle these situations with care and discretion, ensuring that passengers with medical needs or traveling with infants can pass through security smoothly. Remember, clear communication is key. By proactively informing TSA officers about any special requirements, you'll facilitate a more efficient and understanding screening experience. Prepare to be greeted by more furry friends at the airport. The TSA is increasingly deploying canine teams to enhance security measures and deter potential threats. These highly trained dogs and their handlers play a vital role in detecting prohibited items and maintaining a safe travel environment for all. While the sight of a working dog might spark curiosity, it's important to remember that these animals are highly trained professionals. Avoid approaching or distracting the dogs while they're on duty. By giving them the space they need to work effectively, you'll contribute to a safer and more secure airport experience for everyone. Venturing beyond the US in 2025? Be prepared for a new wave of international travel authorizations and visa requirements. From the United Kingdom's Electronic Travel Authorization (ETA) to Europe's upcoming European Travel Information and Authorization System (ETS), staying informed about these changes is crucial for a smooth international journey. The UK's ETA, implemented in January 2025, requires US travelers to apply online and pay a fee of £10 for a 2-year validity. Similarly, Europe's EDS, expected to launch around May 2025, will require a €7 application for a 3-year travel authorization to the Schengen area. These electronic systems are designed to enhance security and streamline border control measures. As the landscape of travel continues to evolve, staying informed is paramount for a seamless and enjoyable journey. Before embarking on your next adventure, take the time to research the latest travel advisories, airline policies, and government regulations. Official sources like the TSA website, the US Department of State, and your airline's website provide up-to-date information on travel requirements, security measures, and potential disruptions. By staying informed and planning ahead, you can mitigate the risk of unexpected surprises and navigate the ever-changing world of travel with confidence. Remember, knowledge is power, and in the realm of travel, it's the key to unlocking a smooth, stress-free, and enriching experience. Safe travels.